So, today we will read chapter number 4, The Cop and the Anthem. Soapy. He was a young man who lived in a park because he had no home or jobs. Winter was round the corner. The tree had begun shedding their leaves. In the jail, Soapy began to plan a way to get arrested so that he was sent to prison. He decided to have dinner in popular restaurant and then apologize for not having money. The restaurant staff would call a policeman and get Soapy arrested. The judge would then sentence Soapy to 3 months in prison. He was basically thought about how to get in the prison. And this is he was basically thought that how to get in the prison. And this is his planning because he was homeless and jobless person and he needs some shelter. Now, with this plan, Soapy entered a famous restaurant. Now, this was the time when Soapy executed his plan. He entered a famous restaurant and but ahead, waiter sent him out of the restaurant because of his get-up. This was the part of his planning. Now he executed his plan as we know. Actually, Soapy wear dirty clothes which waiter or owner of restaurant didn't like it. That's why he threw him from the restaurant. Disappointed, Soapy began think of another plan because this is his first plan which is totally failed. Then he threw a large stone through glass of a big shop on 6th Avenue. 6th Avenue is the name of the another restaurant. A few people and a cop came. 6th Avenue is name of the another hotel. A few people and a cop came running to the front of the shop. This is something which Soapy tried to distract everyone, especially the police who was present there, and he wanted that the police was attended him and get him into the jail. Soapy smiled at the cop that he would arrest. He confessed. Was something which Soapy really want. That's why he confessed that he was shattered the window. But the cop refused to believe once again, and the cop was running behind the person who was running at the time on the road. Soapy is totally disappointed once again. Soapy was totally disappointed once again. Then Soapy saw an ordinary restaurant after eating a huge dinner. This was the part of his other plan. Soapy saw an ordinary restaurant after eating a huge dinner. Soapy said he had but two of waiter among them threw him out of restaurant. This time the waiter did not want to mess with the Soapy. That's why he threw him out of the restaurant. Now, this was the whole process watching by the policeman and he was started to laugh on Soapy. Soapy disappointed. Now the policeman started to laugh on Soapy. Disappointed Soapy started walking till he reached area. There are many theaters. He began shouting loudly. He even danced through his behavior. Policeman dismissed his behavior as college boy. Basically, the policeman ignored him to conceive him as a college boy. Now, Soapy was more disappointed. So, through the continuous disappointed, Soapy was started to made another plan. The man had kept umbrella next to the door. Soapy picked up umbrella and walked away. The man followed him. And this incident was basically happened in the restaurant. There was another restaurant which Soapy entered. So the man walked away, follow him. Soapy said, call the police. But man hesitated and he apologized for mistaking to be his umbrella. The policeman was present at that point of time and the man was totally hesitated with the policeman and he resumed. He totally denied to be his umbrella. Now Soapy got so disappointed, tired and exhausted too. Now during the childhood, Soapy has had his home. So when he was walking on the road, Soapy saw his childhood home. He could see a soft light shining through a window, the beautiful music floating out of the house. The beautiful music floating out of the house made Soapy nostalgic. The nostalgic meaning is to feeling happy and sad when thinking about the past. He remembered the happy days at home with mother and friends. Now, Soapy was filled with fear, remembering how he had lost all his willpower and hope. He decided to change his life and decided to become a man of worth. Now, Soapy realized his past mistake and he wanted to become a good person. So, this was the Soapy's line. I will work hard and turn around my life. At that thinking process, just then a policeman asked to Soapy what he was doing standing in front of home. He was thinking he was thinking all this when he was standing in front of his childhood home. He said nothing, but the policeman denied and took to him. Actually, the policeman was thinking that he was doing some illegal activities on there, so he took to him in the jail. The next day, the judge was also announced. The judge he sentenced to 3 months in the prison on the Blackwell Island to the Soapy. Now Soapy gone in the jail. Now this was the situation which Soapy never wanted to go in the jail because he want to become a good person and he want to transform himself. He wants to become a good person and he wants to transform himself. So what we concluded? We concluded we see the Soapy wants to go to jail for passing his winter. That's why he made lots of ill plans. But coming to the end, what we see? We see he transformed as good man. Blackwell Island. Now we come to the word meaning. Blackwell Island, name of a prison. Cop, the policeman. Worthy, priceless, nostalgic, feeling happy and also slightly sad about thinking past. Now we come to the revision that what we have read today. Some of the signs of approaching winter referred to in the text. As we seen in our first slide, there are such kind of certain signs are the bird begin to fly south, people wear new warm coats, a dead leaf falls on the ground. Now we never forget about the homework. So I will give you the worksheet and you have to complete this worksheet according to time. Now thank you and hope you enjoyed this class. Thank you and hope you all are enjoyed this class.